Hello YouTube family, this is Engineer Pat 5290 coming to you with an update. I have done a lot of work on the N scale and Buster returns. I've got him lashed up with the SD7 and you can see I have a lot of his cars, and there's a few cars on here that I've had a while and they've been taking their first spins around the layout. Look at him just come on by. And Buster has ran most of the day today with the 202. And it's run great. The Pacemaker car just got new 36-inch wheels. And the RF&P and the NS car, the flat car with the load you see, are taking their first spins around the layout. And all three of those are Microtrains cars, as well as this D&H Blue Hopper. So it's good to have Buster back on the rails. I have done some tree work. I've added some fall colored trees where the new house is being built. I also have some over here near the crash scene. The picnic tables have been added. I've got another one that's going to be filling in that spot there. The ambulance has been painted. I'm going to have to do some touch up on him. I have glued some of the newer pieces down, like the new truck. And the family minivan is decorated like a cow, as the Cowmobile. I have the Army Convoy, even brighten this area up a little bit more too, with a couple spruce ups. And I also have the log trailer behind this temporary rig. I've got another plan for that rig right there. Let's see, what else have I done here? I've cleaned this up. I'm thinking about maybe getting another couple of vehicles and painting them. Even added a fall tree right here to brighten this area up a little bit. Let's see what else we've got. And everything else has been pretty much the same. But I've been having a lot of fun with Buster and also with the 202. I've got a couple of cars I'm fixing for him. And one of them, I actually finished painting the coal load. It's the Burlington Hopper that's by Atlas. I just gave it 2 coats of matte black paint. And it was the craft paint like you find at Michael's or your local hobby store. That's been painted back up. It gave it a fresh coat of black on it. And yeah. And the Central Railroad in New Jersey gondola is down for new parts, and also the Union 76 tanker is going to get upgraded with new parts. But I've got a few of the cars out, so I can be able to say I've run some of these now. But the 4 cars, the RF&P, the original NS boxcar, the flat with the turbine on it, and the blue D&H Hopper, are all 4 are Microtrains. But Buster has run most of the day off and on to get him out and get some run time with him. And also don't forget the Pacemaker Freight Service car just got new wheels on. The pizza cutter wheel style has come off and put some Athens wheels on him. And the transition car is back in service as well, so that's awesome here. So just been mostly doing some tree work and just keeping everything up to date. The family minivan back there looks really good. Let me give you a better shot of it. There's the minivan and there's the truck. That's close to about a southern green. That's a holly branch green that I painted. And I also had a sedan that was in the campsite scene, and I moved it over here because I might be putting a different vehicle over here at some point to take its place. So with that being said, that is the layout update. I will have some more items coming in at some point to get the some more areas touched up, and the police cars are ready to rock and roll, and the Army Convoy is all finished up as well. So time to move on to some new projects. And also the light on the bridge went out, so I just popped the board out, took the lens off, and just weathered the top a little bit. So now it's just a regular bridge. So anyway, guys, that concludes this update video. It's good to see Buster back, and this turned out really nice as well. If you have a coal load that's faded out, take some matte black paint and just paint it up. and that drives in about 20 minutes. So anyway, guys, I hope all of you enjoy, and I would like to thank you all so much for watching. Until next time, guys, take care and happy model railroading.